Hi everyone, here we've got Redmi Note 10 Pro, and let me share with you how to change notifications sound in the voicemail. So firstly we have to tap on this dialer and enter this 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on the settings, and here we have to tap on the voicemail. Now let's tap on the card you are currently using and for which you would like to change the notification sound, and tap on notifications actually. As you can see here, we've got the sound option, so let's tap on it. And here we've just been transferred to the full list of all available ringtone sounds from which we can choose. What's more, we can pick don't set ringtone, so obviously your device won't notify you about the voicemail, won't give you the sound feedback actually. What's more, you can choose the local ringtone or online ringtone, but let me pick something from those options. And if you'd like to listen how the particular one sounds, simply tap on it and you will be able to check all of them. So if you like, for example, this one, the swoosh option, all you have to do is simply make sure that it is marked, it is highlighted, and get back. And as you can see, it is notified right here, so it means that from now on, your device will use the chosen sound in order to notify you about any voicemail. So actually that's all. This is how to change voicemail notification sound in your Redmi Note 10 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.